Filter cleaning step by step. Cleaning your air conditioner filter is a crucial part of the tenant's regular maintenance routine. Not only does it help circulate clean air throughout your home, it improves the function of the unit itself. It is important that you make a habit of cleaning the filters frequently. Here's how to clean your filter. Step 1. Turn off your AC unit. Disconnect the power supply by turning off the AC breaker before starting the cleaning process. Step 2. Remove the filter. There are likely multiple makes and models of air conditioning units in your residence. A screwdriver may be required to remove the filter cover in some models. Other models have a cover that can be flipped up to remove the filter. Step 3. Vacuum the filter. Use a hand vacuum to remove any dust or debris on the filter. Then use a microfiber cloth or a soft brush to clean any dust along the frame. Step 4. Clean the condenser. Use a soft bristle brush or a hose with a spray nozzle to clean the fins. Always brush up and down in the same direction as the fins, never side to side. Step 5. Wash the filter. In a deep sink or even outdoors, rinse the filter gently and thoroughly. Allow it to air dry in a well-ventilated area that is out of direct sunlight. Direct exposure to sunlight will cause deformation in the filter. If you need to provide a deep clean, soak the filter in a flat bin with 1 part white vinegar and 1 part warm water for an hour, and then rinse it gently with the hose. Never use a pressurized cleaner on an air filter. They're too delicate for anything high pressure. Step 6. Reinstall the filter in its position. Step 7. Turn on the AC unit.